Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'll show you how to use the Windows 11 terminal to check network ping and latency. So if you want to improve your latency, if you want to improve your internet speed in general, we can do pretty simple commands to ping, for example, Google service and determine our actual average and minimal also latency of our network. So open up your start menu and type in terminal. So you can just launch it like this. I recommend just running it as administrator. And in here, just input this simple command. Okay. So this will just connect to Google primary service and will ping their service and will show you the latency that you have with your provider. So press on enter. All right. So as you can see, I pinged the server of Google, which is this one right here. As you can see, my latency is about 53 milliseconds, pretty stable. As you can see, it's sent 4 packets, received 4, lost 0, so that's a 0% packet lost. That's perfect. And as you can see, the average is 52 and minimum is 52. And another way to ping and do it non-stop instead of just 4 entries, just type in ping. You don't necessarily have to use Google, you can use any other server. And then at the end, just type in slash and not slash this symbol and then T. And this will make sure that you're pinging all the time. As you can see, it's pinging it all the time. You can just stretch the window and see how this goes. So if you want to make it more thorough, I would say, yeah, it makes sense to ping like this. Yeah, you can do this with any other server, for example, youtube.com, maybe Twitch or X, just do it with any other website that maybe you're using all the time and determine your latency this way. So that's it guys for this video. Enjoy, like and subscribe guys, we appreciate it. See you in the next video.